In the currency quadrant, pretty quiet day for most of the majors, but the euro did have a rally with some volume. It wasn't above average volume, but it was right in that sweet spot of volume where you could say that the move actually mattered. The euro was up near 75 basis points, or 0.75% on its highs, almost reaching 113, falling just short of closing above the 50-day moving average with a high of 112.75 in the June futures contract. It is the biggest jump since January 21st, biggest upside move we've seen essentially since the end of the first month of the year. It's a pretty big data week for the euro. Large supply of market moving data being released this week. We already saw some final PMI figures today for the month of May. Nothing out of the ordinary on those readings. And as the day goes on, as the week goes on, I should say, we're going to see individual country readings for those final May PPIs as well. We're going to have France, Germany, Italy. Those are all going to be coming out, so you can potentially identify where some of the weakness and some of the strength is specific to those countries. A little bit of a worry about Germany considering what's been happening to the yields. But then we get new data, not rearward-looking data for May and some for June, with retail sales, PPI and CPI, all prior to the ECB decision that we're going to get on Thursday. One of Mario Draghi's final rate decisions before he leaves office at the end of the year. We've also got the dollar falling, which is obviously going to help the euro. The dollar index being most heavily weighted versus the euro, falling for 2 days straight as U.S. yields continue to punish the dollar, getting down to 208 this morning, or I'm sorry, late this afternoon on the 10-year note, with the inversion between the 10-year and the 3 months now up at 25 basis points. That's hitting the dollar. That's always going to give the euro a little bit of a boost, again, because of that dollar index weighting where it favors the euro.